Okay, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, welcome. Let's look at what we got today. But first of all, the post analysis. For GJ, I think the British pound Japanese yen, as you can see, this was what I was looking at yesterday. Let me zoom this in. I was like, okay, we break above this will indicate further rally, but I was skeptical about this zone because this was a supply zone. And if you remember the cycle method we discussed a while ago, that this is an area price just mirrored this cycle. There's something I wanted to say, but I think I will retain the full information for another special edition. One of it is that you never miss a move. Those who miss this drop, look at it. Then if you miss this retracement, this is what you should be expecting. So you never actually miss a move. Instead of you to try to get in a move in the middle or at the tail of it, it's better to just wait for the fresh action to begin. If you had missed this dump, you would have gotten this retracement because this is cleaner than this move here. It's cleaner and faster. And if you miss this move, retracement, this is what you should have been expecting. So it's like it formed sort of like we were in a range that started from here, dipped, retraced, and anticipating it to dip. So that is just it. As you can see, even from yesterday, I was like, hey, be careful of this zone here. So what happened? I was like, okay, this the buy pending position was not activated. The sell pending position was activated. Okay, so the full cycle is that price is supposed to dip to this support. Okay, for the fact that it has broken this last demand zone in the overall seller's territory, I'm expecting it to break to dip further to this support. As usual, Tuesdays are always beautiful days. What happened? Price kept dipping. So this was one position here. This was another position here. The profit from this position is keeping this position active. So if this position got active, for instance, and is taken out, which I know it wouldn't, this position would have cancelled whatever loss, but I know it wouldn't happen. So I just trusted the process, the system. Okay. I just sort of like compounded what Gigi was supposed to give me for yesterday. So this is it. So that was just what I was looking at, and it played out beautifully. Look at it. It kept dipping. It kept dipping. This daily support was smacked and it kept what? Dipping. This was my overall target. Okay. So when I go to the live chart, we're going to see what price did. For gold, oh my goodness. Gold was nasty. Like, yeah, we were anticipating this dip yesterday for price to turn bearish on the break of this low. So your potential pending order will be here, and immediately breaks this low because first of all it's supposed to give you your the low was created, which is this. Price has retested, done set test one, test two, broken this low. This is your first area of interest. Okay, area of interest, AOI. Then this is your final area of interest. But as usual, gold just gave us nasty action. Very beautiful, by the way. So gave us the TP and slam dunk. It gave me KB, Kobe, okay? Gave me Kobe. So peace to the legend. So this is just what happened on gold. For today, I just think I just want to chill because price has not given anything yet on GJ. Look at the final TP was marked like I talked about. The two positions I looked at first here, adding another position overlapping the first one, both of them hit the TP. I just love Tuesdays. Some days like this, Tuesdays just make daddy proud. For gold, so for British pound Japanese yen, I'm just gonna watch what is going to play out. Okay, frankly, I just want to see what is going to happen. Yeah, it's gonna dip further, potentially dip further, but price is sitting at a demand zone. Okay, so let me see what it's going to do. Price is sitting at a demand zone. This is an area of interest. If you check the last time price came around here, what happened? It was smacked bullishly. Price came around here again. It didn't even enter, it rejected. This one did not even enter, rejected. So I don't know if this is just feeling this weak in order to turn bullish. So at the moment, I'm just staying on the line, just observing. For gold, this is what I'm talking about. Gold just dipped like damn. Yesterday was just one nasty bearish candle, no breather, just one nasty bearish candle. Gold was nasty, damn. So what I'm looking at is just quite simple. Let's see if we can get some retracement. If not, we'll be looking for further bearish move. At least gold looks more promising, okay, compared to British pound, Japanese yen. But just chill because I'm just chilling right now. Gold was beautiful yesterday. Um, if we look at the price action, just like the forecast we did for gold, we were looking at as at the time the price action we had already forecast, given our forecast on what is going to happen. On the break of this low, we are anticipating it to dip. This is an area we're looking to take profit, and this happened. This candle, another strategy I normally use, I learned it from one of the my friends online actually. It's called Raja Banks. This bearish candle broke and closed below the support, and this is in confluence with the 4-hour candle, I think. Okay, the 4-hour candle just did a slam dunk. On the 1-hour candle, this closed below this support. So I'm anticipating this to continue down. And this is London open time, London close, the start of London close, 10 to 11. And if you put your stop entry below here, though there was no top wick for this 10 o'clock candle, put your entry here. Boom! This would be the massive profit anyone would dream of. It just slammed dunked. Woo! So that's good for you. When it wants to be nasty, it's the best at it. When it wants to be loving, it's also good at it. For Bitcoin, like I discussed yesterday, I did not just want to touch Bitcoin because it had reached the potential area of interest, and I was like, I don't believe in all those M formation, all those things. Yes, if you're using M formation, most times it doesn't work. Let's assume that you're using M formation, price came around here, you took a buy. Where would you put your stop loss? Below here, price was making you happy, and all of a sudden, kaboom, taken out of the trade. You wait for another M formation. This played out beautifully. You wait for another M formation. This played out, but this is now 1 over 2. Out of 3 trades, actually, this is 2 over 3. 2 worked, 1 lost. But as you can see, our trading strategy makes it that we always go 1 for 1 and we hit it. and I didn't want to take any sale. I just wanted to see what price action will print. At the moment, price action is saying sells below here, buys above this particular zone, buys above. Actually, technically, buys could occur here with stop loss below here, okay, for price to go up, sells for price to do what? Come down. So this is what I'm looking at on Bitcoin today. So this is what I got for you. Don't forget to hit that subscription button, hit the notification button, and let's have a good day today. Just observe the chart, do your own personal forecast, do your post analysis, see what you can learn something new today. For this section, I just did this. For this section, I just did this particular session to just advise because I'm just going to chill. Yesterday was a massive TP for everyone, so just do your, if you've done your post analysis already, good. If you've not, take this London session to look at the chart. Yes, British pound, Japanese yen, I'm anticipating it to dip, but it is at an area of interest, which is a demand zone. Okay, so I would prefer it to do something different. Let me see what it wants to do, then that will give me an idea what I will do. Okay, we anticipate, we don't just react. Yes, we'll respond sometimes, but we don't just react. So we want to see what price will do to know what we are going to give it the appropriate response. Okay, for gold, yeah, I'm anticipating further dip, but this is a sweet move. Like what I just, the tip of the iceberg I gave you today, you don't miss any move. You see this slam dunk that occurred here. Don't be surprised when the retracement starts. We'll mirror this move. Then after, we'll do what? Mirror the move coming down. So look at this particular price action I printed here and just wait for it. Okay, just wait for it. What it's gonna be is gonna be. It's gonna mirror this move coming up, and later it's gonna do this. So it's as easy as ABC. Okay, that's all I got for you now. Peace.